Alright, let's do this trek. Holy cow.
At the Parrot Mountain.
I didn't expect an actual mountain.
Well, this is our first time to Parrot Mountain. It's pretty full up here today, but it's quite the climb too. Parking lot's kind of steep, but it's beautiful up here so far. These guys are just hanging out by the parking lot.
Oh, when that wind blows.
And you have these guys over here too. Parking lot here, parrots there. Some pretty fellas over here. They're just hanging out. That amazes me how they just stay. This is the hill. You probably don't look like much on film, but I mean it's pretty steep, ain't it, babe?
Yeah, that's a big grade.
It's quite the climb. Like come up a road up the mountain over here and come in.
Come look at this one.
They're building new stuff over there. Bird walk. Coming soon. These guys are colorful. There you go. You're alright. Secret garden. Yeah, it says come on in. Oh wow. There's a bunch of them up in
Friend
here.
has a peacock, and it is so cool.
We'll walk right down through here. They got it nice in here. Got a pretty odd looking bird back in here. You can see him right there. Chilling, kind of look about like a rooster.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow,
What's that?
this little odd fella. This is their garden. Let us come walk in.
Oh wow.
Birds flying everywhere.
Oh well.
Totally get pooped on in here.
What kind of bird that is?
This guy's got like feathered feet.
Bang.
Well, they got your warnings over here, so read your signs. All you Karens. Back around. You get to hold parrots over here. Oh, that's what this line over here.
Let's start up here.
You can come up here and you can hold these guys if they ain't too picky and touchy.
They don't like me.
Casey's having no luck with them. I can have it. He's wanting it.
I know you're gonna get it. You can't have it.
What?
No, I see that tongue.
Babe, you missed Angel just say hi to me. I swear.
He's like, I can have
You
it.
can't have it. No, stop that. You cannot eat it. I'm gonna have that selfie with you. What?
This is Ozzy. He's hiking.
If I get my camera right.
He's just hanging out.
What?
He's talking a second. Oh, they're fighting. Don't get him close. He didn't like him for some reason.
Okay, no. What are you doing?
And this is Angel. She'll show you where she wants petted. Come on. You want to? Yeah? No? There you go.
Say hello.
Yes. She'll open that wing up and tell you where to pet.
He's going all around the others just to get the sunflower seeds.
We're just getting the sunflower seeds, huh? This is Mojo. And that one's Maggie.
No, you got to go back on your perch. You can't just stay here all day. Are you gonna look pretty for her? You can't have her sunflower seeds. You can't. You can't have her seed. That one's hers. She don't want to give it to you. No. Sorry.
He's not going away. He starts talking.
Okay, right there. Butt rubs. Did you want butt rubs? He's okay.
Zazu.
Well, Zazu.
You got a whole lot of personality.
I'm not Zazu. Bye, Zazu. Every time I leave, he starts crying. Seriously? Are you kidding? You whiny thing. Watch her. You're such a silly boy.
He starts crying when you leave. You come from the little parrot petting and stuff.
Did I get any little videos out there?
I don't know, I did though.
Let
There's
me.
a bunch of different types of birds out here. It ain't just parrots either on this island, or up on this mountain island. How far? Feels like an island when you're up here. There's different kinds of birds. Yeah, he's spread out. He's showing off.
He was dancing for
Yeah,
a
he was
second
dancing
ago.
a second ago.
Watch him
There he
dance.
goes, there he goes,
He's
fanning.
shaking that booty.
Is he fanning?
Yeah. Shake that booty at her.
Look at him.
That's so beautiful.
He's peacocking. Look at him. Holy crap, that is insane.
Look at all them eyes. Get a picture. I can't take a picture of myself.
I got a video on here.
Oh.
Look at him. They was fighting a minute ago.
I know, they're
You got a
fine.
bunch on you.
We'll be making TikToks tonight.
Yeah. By the fountains, you can go that way. Or over that way. They got a picnic area in case you want to eat around all the birds up here.
He's coming over to him.
Of course, this is a Christian-based attraction, so be respectful when you come. It's beautiful up here though. The gardens, the birds. It's a good time and worth the money. I believe we're coming towards the end. We're up here. Some type of building over there. But what's in there?
Finches, turquoise parakeet, and honey something.
Honey creepers. We're gonna go into the nursery. That's what that building was. I mean, it's pretty nice up in here. They're getting all the tropical plants out for the summertime.
Is that a cactus down there?
It's, yeah, beautiful. This is the bird nursery. They got some food here as well. Restrooms. And the view.
Yeah, probably, because Dolly was just right.
Yeah, it's right over the hill. That's the Dollywood train.
They'll run like she always does.
Yep.
That is such a beautiful view.
These flowers are beautiful.